Delicious coffee made easy. This BLACK+DECKER 5-cup coffee maker gets going with the flip of a switch, heating water to the optimal temperature for full flavor extraction. Coffee brews into the improved durable glass carafe, which is engineered for comfortable handling and drip-free pouring. Plus, the removable, dishwasher-safe filter basket makes for simple cleanup. BLACK+DECKER and the BLACK+DECKER logo is trademarks of the BLACK+DECKER Corporation and is used under license. Cup equals approximately 5 ounces. Features voltage rating of 120 volts divided by 60 Hz and also has precise water level indicator. Wattage, 650 watts. Cord storage, yes. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Sneak a cup feature. This feature temporarily stops the flow of coffee so you can pour your first cup before brewing ends without making a mess. Number 2. Space-saving compact design. Perfect for apartments, RVs, dorm rooms, and smaller coffee appetites. Number 3. Lighted on-off switch, one-touch control for easy operation, and an on-off indicator light for peace of mind. Number 4. Easy Clean Removable Filter Basket. The filter basket is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup and compatible with basket-style paper filters. Number 5. Included components: Coffeemaker, instruction booklet, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.